Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a Steam account on PC. So first of all, open up your browser in Google or any other search engine that you use, type in Steam, then go to the official website right over here. Okay, now from the home page of Steam, navigate with your mouse onto the top right of the screen and click on this button Login. From the next screen, press on Create an Account. Okay, now from here it's very simple. We have also made a tutorial previously how to create a Steam account on Android, so this is very easy. Just type in email address right over here, confirm it once again, choose your country, accept the terms of service, click continue. After that you will need to confirm your email address. You will need to go to your email inbox, confirm the creation of your account. After that, choose your username and then create an account, and you will be able to use it also on the desktop version of Steam that you can download from here. As you can see, install Steam. So that's how you do it, guys. Very easy. Thank you for watching. If you still need help creating the account, we have a separate tutorial on how to do this on Android. It's the same process. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped. If it did, press the like button, subscribe. I'll see you very soon in the next video.